Good afternoon, YouTubers. So I'm going to show you my Hoover self-propelled vacuum. My red light is on, and it always stays on. I'll show you. So I'll show you it. That's my Hoover. Plug it into the outlet. I'll show you the light. Watch. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that light. Stay tuned. So now you need to take a couple screws out with a Phillips screwdriver. Now this is my favorite vacuum. I had this for about 2 years. This is a very common problem on this kind of a vacuum. Okay, hang on here. Okay. There, the lighting's better. Okay. So you need to take out 5 screws. Okay, so crap. So one right here. Make sure you don't strip them. And take out that screw. No, there's 3 more. So now these are really common problems. They're really good vacuums. But this is a problem everybody has, not just me. I get these to fix. I don't charge them but $10. And if this doesn't help it, you might just need to buy a new sensor. Last but least, there's that. It'll be kind of gentle. That could be a little dirty. No, I can tell mine's dirty. You can see in there. Hang on, stay tuned. I got a paper towel. Damn. Now it's gonna be a little hard one-handed. So you push this, you rinse it out. Whoa. And there's a big difference already. Gosh. Stay with me, phone. Stay with. Yeah. No. That should work now. So you see that? Right here, you clean up this. Like this. Just like so. Just like so. Clean up the edges. So, and there is your vacuum. Now, let's try it now. Alright, let's try now. Alright, so make sure you put this in right here and here. And then you put the wires in here. And here. And here. And here. And here. And here. And in here. And wow, it fell again. You want to be careful, because these can break. Hang on here. Stay tuned. And you put this housing back on. And then you put the housing back on right here. Just like so. Like so. I don't know if this is gonna work, because I tried it one time. I know how to fix these. Well, they may, if I were to, it should work. Unless you bang them down the floor. That I hope none of you guys do. It's my friend's. But he gave it to me about 4 years ago, like I said. Like so. Like so. It's like so. It's like so. All right. Let's test it out now. Oh, shit. Come on. Never works. Okay. Plug it in again. It's plugged in. Now watch it very closely. Okay, YouTubers. Well, that's how you're supposed to do it, but I have a bad sensor on mine. So thanks for watching.